and welcome back to Afrocentric Spaza. So today this video is very good. Guess what? I'm going to show you guys, especially the bachelors. The bachelors. Listen, I'm going to tell you how to revive a burnt pot to back to new. So stay tuned to see how you can wash a very burnt pot within the same day, even within 15 minutes, guys. Yeah, so you don't have to throw it away. Yeah, okay, you have burnt the pot. What do you do now? Throw it away or soak it overnight? Let me rescue you how you can clean a burnt pot under 15 minutes. Stay tuned. Okay, you start with putting water. Make sure the water covers the whole of the burnt area. You do not have to put water in the entire pot. This way is entirely black because those are the concentrated burnt areas. Yeah, so I have put water, as you can see, and I have not scratched this pot with anything, just water. And you saw me scrape it before. It was very hard for it to even come out. So what you do with this amount of burnt in this pot, I just put a spoon of dishwashing liquid. Put it in the water. Yeah, just stir it, and after this we will put it on a hot plate for it to boil a little. So here's the pot on the cooker. You just put medium heat. Then what we do, we just wait for it to boil. Once it starts boiling, then we shall give it about 1 to 2 minutes. Yes, and then we switch off the heat. Now boil it for a minute or 2 minutes, and you just switch it off after it has boiled. You don't need to boil it for long, and then let it just to cool. So after it has cooled down, as you can see, the water has turned black. I have not even scratched this. I am now trying this with my fingers. Still not coming out. Do not give up, okay? Don't throw your pot. So what I usually do, I just get my scrubber, whatever you call those scrubbing things. Then I start scrubbing the pot with just water, not even soap. Yeah, so I just scrub softly. I'm not even using a lot of strength, just gently, and it's coming out. Just scratch, scrub. See, it's coming out. It's coming out. And there's still no soap. Yeah, so you do not need to waste your soap because it can just easily come out with water. Yeah. See? So don't go burning your pots all the time, because now you know the trick of how to rescue them. But this is a lifesaver if you only have a few pots in the house, which is so common with bachelors. Most, I think, have 1 to 2 pots in the house. Yeah, so after that stage, you can now put soap. The soap will help those that are really stuck. Yeah. See? All that with just water. How amazing! Then I just put a little bit of soap, not too much. And then I just start scrubbing, and now you'll see it come even very easily because the soap is now helping those stubborn stains. See how easy it is? Yeah, just under 15 minutes. Yeah, very easy. Yeah. No harsh scratching, no too much energy, just simple scrubbing and voila, it's gone. How amazing, isn't it? So if you like this video, share with your friends who have been burning their pots so much, those who are learning how to cook and are burning their foods. share it with them. I also make other videos about travel to Africa, especially for tourists and African diasporans who have never been to their motherland. Subscribe to my channel to get these notifications. Yes. Also check out my Instagram page and Facebook where I post photos of the fun things I do. Yeah, so see how clear the pot is. No harsh work. Woo! Beautiful.